right now on the very land where the great flood happened. And as narrated in the scriptures, Noah brought the ark there near the summit of the Mount Ararat, which is here on my left side. And on that mountain, Noah was waiting for the flood to recede. And when he felt it's all over, there's no longer flood, he sent 3 pigeons, one after another, to check if there are still waters on the land. 2 birds returned, which meant that the waters were still there, but the 3rd pigeon did not return. And there was the beginning of hope for Noah. And so Noah began to descend on this very land that I am walking right now. And when he saw land, he exclaimed, Yerevan, Yerevan, which is not only the capital city of the present-day Armenia, but that word meant visible. Visible, meaning the land is visible, and that is the beginning of the great hope for Noah and humanity. And for those of you who are looking at this video and you feel there's no more hope, I am stuck, I'm telling you now, as early as the biblical times of Noah, the Lord in one moment can stop the floods in your life and have a new beginning.